Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and that you are ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we are going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you. The ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snakes. Eagle eye is when you look at pictures in the book to help with clues for the word, and your stretchy snake is when you stretch out the sounds in a word slowly and you go back and say them all together. Let's try a stretchy snake of our own. Perfect. P-E-F-E-C-T. You have a go for me? Fantastic, well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Perfect. P-E-F-E-C-T. The book that we are going to be looking at this week is called Perfect Pets. Let's go and have a read. So boys and girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Perfect Pets. Super dogs. Dogs are great pets because they like to play. But did you know that dogs have superpowers? Dogs can hear sounds that we can't hear. They are super sniffers too. Dogs can smell at least 1,000 times better than people can. Meet my pet. Amy's dog is called Jazz. Jazz likes to go to the park with Amy. Is a dog your perfect pet? The pros of having a dog are they are clever and loyal, and the cons are they leave poo to be picked up and they can be noisy. Cuddly cats. Cats make cuddly pets and they talk to you too. A meow can mean play with me or stroke me. A loud meow could mean feed me. Cats can be bossy. Cats are sleepy pets. They sleep for about 15 hours per day. Luke's cat is called Pixie. Pixie likes to chase toys. Is a cat your perfect pet? The pros are they are playful and clean, and the cons are they shed fur and they have sharp claws. Clever geckos. If you don't have much space, a gecko could be your perfect pet. Geckos are little lizards. Most are good climbers. Their feet stick to walls to help them climb. They can even walk upside down. Meet my pet. Molly's gecko is called Tinsel. Tinsel likes to climb onto Molly's head. Is a gecko your perfect pet? Pros: it's easy to look after and it's quiet, and your cons are they can be shy and they need to eat living prey. Skinny stick insects. Stick insects look amazing. They are long and thin, just like sticks. Stick insects are the longest insects. A stick insect's leg can fall off, but sometimes it can grow a new one. Meet my pet. Tim's stick insect is called Twiggy. Twiggy likes to walk on Tim's hand. Is a stick insect your perfect pet? Pros are they are quiet and clean, and cons are it has lots of babies if it's a female, and it cannot really play with you. Busy chickens. Would you like a pet that lives outside? If so, a chicken might be your perfect pet. Chickens like to be busy. They scratch in dirt looking for bugs to eat. Chickens like to have a bath in the dust. This is how they look after their feathers. Meet my pet. Jake's chicken is called Lola. Lola likes to follow Jake around. Is a chicken your perfect pet? Pros are they are fun to feed and they lay eggs. Cons are they are noisy and they need space outside. Which is your perfect pet? Have a think. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind this video and listen to me read it again, or Down here on Oxford Owl, we have the play button where they will read it to you. This week we are going to be doing something a little bit different, where you will only have 2 Kahoot quizzes instead of 3. But you are going to have a word search. You will have access to the word search through a link that will be posted on your portfolio, and all you need to do is click on the link and it will open the word search. It will look like this once the link has opened. To join in, all you need to do is enter your name and press start. Now that has loaded, all you need to do is press start. This is what your word search will look like, and you have clues down the side to help you. Let's try one all together. An animal that meows. Can you remember? I know. A cat. So in our word search we need to look for the word cat, and it may be a little bit tricky. But here, cat. And now that we've found cat, we need to match it up to the clue. Once you have finished your word search, don't forget to send me a picture to show me that you have completed your task. Enjoy and have fun!